In today's video, we'll discuss what affiliate marketing is, how it works, and whether it's still a viable way to earn money in 2024. Let's jump right in. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a popular online marketing strategy where you can earn commissions by promoting other companies' products or services. You essentially act as a middleman, connecting potential customers with a business and earning a reward for each successful sale or conversion. Can you still earn money with affiliate marketing in 2024? This is where things get interesting. Based on my personal experience in 2023, I can share some insights. I joined the Amazon affiliate program and created a YouTube video showcasing popular products, hoping viewers would click my links. While I did get views, the clicks and conversions weren't what I expected. I then tried promoting products on various online platforms, but the results were similar. What I realized is that successful affiliate marketing often relies on providing genuine value and reviews to your audience. Simply showcasing products may not be enough to convince them to click your links. However, this doesn't mean affiliate marketing is dead. Many people do find success with it, especially those who have built a strong, engaged audience who trusts their recommendations. So the answer is, it depends. Affiliate marketing can still be profitable in 2024, but it requires hard work, strategic planning, and building genuine trust with your audience. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but for those willing to put in the effort, it can be a rewarding way to generate income.